you understand English, but struggle to speak fluently? Today, I will train you using one of the most powerful techniques used by fluent speakers worldwide, shadow speaking. In this video, you will listen, speak with me, repeat confidently. First, just listen carefully. Don't speak. Good morning. How are you today? I'm feeling productive and motivated. I have planned my day carefully. I will complete my tasks on time. Now, speak with me. Ready? Excellent. If you struggled, that is normal. Shadow speaking trains your mouth muscles and brain coordination. Practice 10 minutes daily. News clips, short speeches, English podcasts. Consistency is the key. Now comment below. Done, if you completed round 1. That's it. Round 1 is finished. Remember, fluency is not talent. It is daily practice. In the next video, we'll move to round 2 and increase the level slightly to improve your speed and fluency even more. Before you go, tell me in the comments, was round 1 easy, medium, or challenging for you? Type your answer below. I read every comment. See you in round 2 training session.